3, 2, 1, and action. It's your girl Deanna T, and I'm back here with an unboxing of potential items that could be on my website, Rebellious Papiyon. I have my black friends lives matter #Rebellious Papiyon tee on. I still have them on my website if you're interested. It's, you know, the reference from the show Friends, but still a movement about my black friends and their lives matters, because Black Lives Matter, period. That's it. So we're gonna get into this boxing. I have these 2 packages already out because it came from another order I had, and some of the items will be new, and I have multiple colors, and some items will be stuff that I already have on the website, but I just wanted to see them in other colors before I potentially put them on the website. So, further ado, we're going to get into it and see what good stuff we have that can or cannot be added to Rebellious Papiyon. So, come along with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.
Very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stock went up, check my price, then I text my education. Now my fashion gonna cost a couple racks. I don't need a sugar daddy, they call me when they eat stacks. See,
Alright, so let's get into this, ladies. We have this nice velvet. As you can see, the detailing on the side is that nice scrunchy. It comes in these nice 2 colors, black and that burnt orange goldish color. Ladies, this is it right here for any perfect occasion. Next, we got to get into this snake print dress, which, yes, is very, very similar to a lot of dresses that we've seen, as the not your average black dress, not your average orange dress, and not your average leopard print dress. Well, yes, this is not your average snake print dress, alright? Alright. So, this is just body, and the material is amazing. And I'm coming up close here so you guys can see the amazing detailing on the dress. Next, we have these 2 amazing silk dresses that come in a chocolate brown color and like a beige off-whitish nude color. It has the scrunchies with the tie on the side that we are loving. Has a drop neck. It's just amazing, and it has the adjustable straps in the back for my girls with a little more breasts or a little bit of breasts, and we are just loving it, loving it. Girl, you know who it is. Yes, this is on the site already in black, and we have the short version already as well, but I had to show y'all some more colors and some more options. So this right here is in the pink and in the yellow, and the gloves is just like, look, it just gives so much detail and just like so much extraness, and we just loving it. So I'm about to come with y'all with another color with this outfit right here. We got the blue, the sky blue. We in the clouds with this one. All right, so that's how we feeling about this one. We got it in the blue, got it in the yellow, and got it in the pink. It's just amazing. Like, just love the colors for it, love everything about it, and it's just like, period. Yes, like, this is it. It's just it. Alright, so what we're going to get into next, we're getting into some more colors. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes, hunty. Yes, hunty. We got this in the pink already on the site. And this one right here is the Pro Girly Girl. And it's just like, takes your breath away. This one right here is brown sugar. But we come into y'all with some green sugar and some blue sugar. This outfit right here is just so comfortable. You can wear it anywhere. You can dress it up, dress it down. And I just love it. And we're about to come with some more colors for you. Wow. We got pink and we got yellow. I'm just loving both of these colors. Honestly, these are my 2 favorite colors. So maybe that's why I'm feeling like I'm loving both of them. But I'm loving them. If you loving them, comment down below. Tell me what colors y'all feeling, because like these items are just amazing. And we out. And we got one more in this piece. Got another color, black. Everybody loves items in black. I don't know what it is, but people love to have their black outfits. So this is like perfect. Like if you have like kind of a business professional job, you could wear this to work and still be super comfy, super cozy, and it's already, it goes together. Perfect. Lastly, we are getting into this Clueless outfit that everybody freaking loves. I already have it orange on the website, orange and white, but this one is blue and red. And look at that booty, ooty, ooty. Yes, honey. It gives you great shape, and it's just super comfy with the straps, and it's just, we're out. Period. Thanks for watching.